guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove wig strap. Let's get started. So the wig strap in here is this one, wherein you can see the let's chat or this icon right here. So when you click on it, you can actually add in a message for this person and then send this to them. And you should be able to chat with them right here. And you can see that they will actually respond. Now, if you want to remove that Wix chat, this is actually an app from the Wix itself that is integrated when you click on this add elements right here. So in here, if you want to actually remove that, what you can do is you can just click on this Wix chat right here. So let me just click on that Wix chat and then just click on the delete button on your keyboard. So let's click on the delete button. And as you can see, it has been deleted. Now, when we publish this on our website, let's publish this one. And then let's click on view site. Now, when we head over and see what our site will look like, you can see that the actual Let's Chat button has been removed. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so please leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.